We've had a very positive experience working with Magnet, and going forward it's been continuous improvement we've been working on. My name is Jim Stout, and I started Coastal Pet Products in 1968. My brother actually owned a pet shop, and he was always an idea person, and he got the idea of collars and leads made mainly out of ski rope, hollow polyethylene. I bought my brother out in 1971, continued to operate the company over the last 48 years. We, like many business people, have a challenge getting people to work.
Some of the ideas we tried prior to meeting with Magnet was to empower our upper management and middle management to drive our continuous improvement process. That didn't work. We tried for years and we weren't getting the engagement from our associates up until the point we decided to reach out for help.
After they reached out, they definitely were attentive to changing the culture and to making significant change in the organization.
Some of the initial activities that we did with Magnet was first to define what we wanted to do. We needed to come up with a case for change that we could communicate to all of our associates. We had a number of people, in fact more than half, wanting to volunteer. One of our first Kaizen events was one that we looked at productivity on one of our lines.
And through those efforts, we actually were able to bring work back from China imports into the plant. Through that, we were also able to take that same methodology and move it to like 4 or 5 other lines, which made us much more competitive in the marketplace.
It really started the momentum ball rolling, and people jumped on board after that and really were giving suggestions on how to improve specific points of the jobs that they do.
And then that snowballs into other lines because they see it happening. So then another person will get another idea spinning off of that idea, and it just kind of grows.
Some results that we've seen since we've started our lean movement with Magnet has been our suggestions went from 11 a year, our employee suggestions, to 7 per week.
To see all the different things that not only Coastal does, but the options that Magnet gives us to do, and the new ideas that everyone comes up with, they're wonderful. It's awesome to see all the new ideas that people you didn't think would have those ideas can come up with.
Very pleased to hear that they have a vigorous program going forward and that they anticipate growing the business much further and continue to improve in their operations and office areas.
I would recommend Magnet to other manufacturers because they come in, they train you, and you can be self-sustainable after they leave.